With the UK government's announcement of the first successful Freeport and Freezone bids, it's important to look at how those areas will operate in practice. A freeport or a free zone can be an area with a diameter of up to 45 kilometres, but it's important to note that the benefits of freeport or free zone status do not apply to every part of the land within those areas. Sites within a freeport or a free zone will be designated as either a customs site or a tax site. An individual site may be both a customs and a tax site, or it may be neither. A tax site is an area of land, for example a business park, intended to serve as the focal point for government incentives, such as business rates relief, enhanced capital allowances, employers' national insurance reliefs, and streamlined planning permission, which together are intended to promote inward investment, regeneration, and job creation. Custom sites are areas where manufacturing, processing, or other assembly activities are carried out to goods before they're either put into the UK market or sent out for export. While goods are in a customs site, they're treated for customs purposes as being offshore. This brings a cash flow benefit where customs duties are deferred until the assembly or manufacturing or processing activities are complete and the goods are ready either for the UK market or for export. In some cases, that benefit might extend to what's called tariff inversion, which is where the customs duties payable on the finished goods would be less than the separate customs duties that would be payable on the components or materials. So in those circumstances, as well as getting a cash flow benefit, there is a reduction in the level of liability. Now, if a site is to have both sets of benefits, then it must have both sets of authorizations and operating procedures. So on the diagram on screen at the moment, we have an area of land which is labeled as the undeveloped site, which is only a tax site. And that's an area where, for example, streamlined planning permission would assist along with business rates relief, along with employers' national insurance reliefs to promote regeneration. We have an area that is only a customs site. At the bottom, the nearby factory that's identified on the map. In those circumstances, the benefits would be limited to the customs deferral or tax inversion. And in the middle, we have the undeveloped customs site that has both designations. And in that area, the government incentives together with the customs duties would be available. But for each area, there would need to be a specific operator carrying significant liabilities and responsibility to make sure that activities on the relevant site stay within the legislation and the regulations that must be complied with in order to preserve and justify the advantageous status of those areas.